Hello. In this demonstration, we are going to showcase the in-life and MACD capabilities that come out of the box as part of CloudSense's end-to-end solution. We start by looking at an existing customer for whom two different orders have been completely built, fulfilled, and activated. At this point, they are MACD eligible. So let's open one of these orders and navigate to one of the subscriptions. And from there, we navigate to the solution association. In CloudSense, for commercial impacting MACD scenarios, the MACD will start from the solution context. For certain scenarios, such as suspension and cancellation, MACDs can be triggered directly from the subscription. Let's go ahead and click Change Solution, which will pop up a list of typical MACD options such as upgrade, downgrade, relocation, etc. If we pick one of these, for example suspension, we are shown a list of subscriptions that belong to this solution, and we can select which ones we want to place in the suspension process. For the purpose of this demo, we'll stick to a scenario where an upgrade is required. This redirects us to a new Solution Console UI, a MACD version of the original shopping cart, but in this case containing only the domestic connectivity that was added. Now we can navigate to the various products contained in this original shopping cart. If we check the access product, we will find that there is a 10 meg access product that was delivered to 4 different locations. At this point, we want to perform an upgrade. Not only that, we want to perform an upgrade to only 2 of the locations in this solution. To do this, we will use our split mechanism, which allows us to split this configuration into 2. This second configuration will contain the locations that we split and will reference the same product configuration as before. What we can do now is execute an availability check, and we can see what products are available for this upgraded scenario. So let's upgrade the bandwidth to 50 megabytes. We select this product for the 2 locations and hit Apply. And as simple as that, we have upgraded 2 locations from 10 meg to 50 meg. Now we synchronize the basket with the opportunity, and then decompose the order to start the order management part of the CloudSense platform. And we have now generated a MACD opportunity of the type Upgrade. Before wrapping up, let's navigate back to the account. Now we want to perform a non-commercial MACD scenario, in this case a suspension. We go back to the domestic connectivity solution and perform a suspension of 3 of the subscriptions that have a recurring charge. By clicking Submit, this suspension process starts. And if we navigate to these individual subscriptions, we will find a second orchestration process that is performing all the necessary steps to suspend the subscription. Navigating back to the solution, we can use the Resume scenario to resume any subscriptions that have been suspended. If we navigate back to the subscription that was first suspended and then resumed, and refresh the screen, we can see another orchestration process that is reactivating the subscription and communicating to the downstream systems as required. And that demonstrates how to perform 2 non-commercial related MACD scenarios.